playing with the ghost.
Hello to you all, my dear Karings. I hope you are feeling alright the moment you open this page to somehow like, well, let's take a break from my features of holiday, my features of beautiful places that I have visited, and of course more of that to follow. But today, I'm just giving a little bit of a slight education about my home testing. So today, join me as I test myself using the home test kit for coronavirus here in England. This may differ from other countries, but this is what we do right here in United Kingdom. So are you ready? Come, follow this one. Mwah. Hello everybody, today I am doing my first home testing with this kit. You know, from our workplace we need to test ourselves whether we are positive or negative. I'm not sure how accurate this is, but we got this particular box which will help us do a home testing at home. So today I'll go through everything that's inside the box, and then we're going to check whether the result will be positive or negative. I don't really know what's going to be the outcome, so you're going to all discover that with me, because it's a great kind of a thing to do, just to give you that peace of mind that testing yourself somehow gives you that assurance that you're quite safe with the people in your homes, and when you go to the workplace that you will not be affecting anyone. So here we go. So what's inside this kit? We've got the instructional manual. So everything that you have to go through will come through this particular booklet or leaflet, and then all you have to do will be instructed through this. So you follow the instructions through this manual, and then you have this is the rapid test thing, and then of course the swab which you insert in your throat and into your nose, and then this is where you insert that tube with the chemicals. What else is in here? Yeah, this one, then you insert it here. There you go. And then you also have a bin bag for things that you would need to put them all in here after you've used everything. And then you have this solution which we will be putting inside. Well, I think I missed something. I can't find. Oh yeah, when we open this, that's when we get to put the solution in here, and then we put at least 2 drops into this rapid testing kit and then you dip everything in here. So before anything else, it says before I get to open everything, I need to wash my hands. So stay where you are, because I'll be back, because I need to wash my hands. See ya in 2 minutes. So here I am back. I've just washed my hands. You know what, I have to sing happy birthday to complete the 20 seconds and made sure that everything is thoroughly cleansed. So I'm ready to do my lovely procedure. So I'll just put my camera down to get to see what's going to happen as I set up everything in here. So it's instruction, there's that, and then there's the swab, the solution. Let me just put things that I won't need, and then there's the rapid testing kit. There you go. This is where you, after you have put your swab into the solution, and then you are going to put it in here, and you have to wait half an hour to identify whether you are going to be positive or negative. So I'm just gonna put that here for now while I'm preparing myself, and I think I pretty much have everything. And then you need your phone because you need to register. So you need to register the kits because you need to report to the NHS whether you are positive or negative. Such a palaver, really, but I'm really, really very excited. What do you need to do? I've got everything. So, and you're going to register that. So, here we go. Because I have already been doing this most days, I only would need to somehow like photograph that barcode and then, or the QR code reader, and then everything will be fine. Okay? So, in the next few minutes, you will see me reacting with a thing. So first, of course, I have to put this solution in here. Be sure not to waste any of it. And you put it here. So that's how it is at the moment. Now, I'm ready to do the the most dreaded part, the one that I don't really like to do, but I have to do it. Okay, here we go. Oh my god, I might scream like a cat. It makes me teary-eyed. You have to put the inside your throat first for at least 10 seconds, and then after that you insert it into your nose. So if you feel squeamish of what I do, you can look away. So that I'm just trying to do this so that you will know that I'm really doing it. I'm just not trying to trick all of you. So here we go. 10 seconds. Begin. It always makes me cry. Don't cry from Argentina. Then the worst part is when you do it inside your nose. Oh my word. Ready? I'm gonna insert it here. I've got tears in my eyes. This is like having a mini drama. You have to make sure that you have to shake it, that every part of the swab gets into the solution, and then you are ready to transfer that into this one. So and then you're going to wait. I'm gonna move the camera for you to see it in a few minutes. I think that's enough time. Oh my god, what will be the outcome? Here we go. It's like cooking time. I think that's ready. Once you've done enough seconds with it, you can now take this away, put it in the, you know, the bin bag that you were provided earlier. Put it here. Take this item and then you are ready to now put that here, and let's see what's going to be my result. I don't know what's going to happen, but you are all seeing it here with me. Now I'm not going to be touching the thing, and here we go. I'm going to transfer at least 2 drops in here. And then there is a mark with a C and a T, which will, as I'll show you here in the manual, how to read your result, whether you are positive or negative. Let's open to the page. There. Once the solution gets into the flow, it will tell you if there's a red line on the C, you are negative. But if there's a red line between the C and the T, then you are positive. And I just don't know what's going to happen. At the moment, all you can see is that. So we're just awaiting for result. It would normally take few minutes, but I am going to leave that there, and then I'll show it to you once we have reached half an hour. So stay where you are, because I'll be revealing the results. Everything is as is. I've frozen it and I'm not touching it, and it will show us the result in a few minutes. So let's find out. So half an hour is done, and it's about time to reveal the result. So I'll be moving the camera so that you will see what was the results. Earlier I left the table at that, I went away, and now I don't know what's the result, but we're going to have a look at it. So ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Let's find out the results together. Oh my god, I don't know. Well, let's find out now. Am I positive or am I negative? But I don't know whether the test is accurate enough to find out whether I am negative or positive, but I just seem to believe that the outcome of time will give you peace of mind that you have done your rapid tests. Okay, so here we go. So here we go. The test is about to reveal, and as you can see, there is only the red line in the C. So meaning to say, yours truly, Jess the cat, is negative for today's testing of coronavirus. Wow, it's such a thrill to really find out that I have negative in today's tests, and that gives you peace of mind that somehow you continue to stay safe and look forward to the time that you won't have the discovery that you're positive of COVID-19. So somehow today is quite a good test, and after that the procedure doesn't end there. You are now going to report to the NHS, National Health Service, the result of your test, so that they will know, because all of these are all identified through the barcode, so your number can be identified. So what I'm going to do are two ways to report it. You can either go online or you can call by the phone number as said there. So I will be doing the online because it's holiday for me, so I might as well do that. So let me just have a look at the website if I did not forget. I don't even something. It's like a little bit of a palaver. So www.gov.uk. Oh my god, I can't see. I forgot my eyeglasses. /reports. Oh my word. So now I am on the site. What I'm going to now do is report a rapid COVID-19 test. So start now, and then who's reporting for myself, continue. Would you like to sign in? I don't remember my account. Sign in with an account, because I might remember my password. So you put your email address and then continue. Then you put your password. I hope I remembered it. Somehow it's successful. So loading, checking my details. Welcome to your test and trace account. Report a COVID-19 test result. So who was the test for? You're going to say it's for a college, because I'm teaching, so carry on. When was the test taken? You got to give them the date. So today, the 7th of April, and then you continue. And then you are now going to scan the QR code. And then it registers it. It's already down at the bottom, and then you continue again. Do you know your NHS number? You've got to log in. But if you forget, you can just say no. And what's the result? You've got to tell them whether you're positive and negative. So in my case today, I'm negative. And then report the result. And then check your answers first before you send it. And then once it's already report result. And then it says there, you reported a negative coronavirus test result. If it's likely that maybe you were not so infectious, and then you will then be prompted, you will get an email or you will get a message on your phone that they have received what you've sent through. So it's such a palaver, but if we carry on to live a life like that, we will be moving forward with the way we live life. It's just like some people have maintenance with the tablets that they have to take, with the physio or exercise that they have to do, or just like the diet that we do normally. So it has been quite a palaver, but I would like to really thank the government for doing something to keep us safe. And me being a teacher, it's important that I come into the classroom, that my students will not be infected, whether it's positive or negative. It gives us an assurance that before you enter the workplace, you have that peace of mind that somehow you are safe and keeping the environment around you safe. So I hope you learned something about this mini education of my tests. I will be doing my second series, which is the other test that I will be doing, but that one I send it to the post box and I get the result a day later. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for following this vlog. I hope you learned something, that it's important for us to stay safe in a world which is quite different. In this COVID frenzy world, being safe is the most important thing. And I hope you all do the measures of wearing your mask, social distancing, and most of all, taking care of everyone, so that we can reach out and enjoy life again and party again, because we all miss that. This has been Jess, and thank you for following this mini little vlog, and lots of love to you all. Bye.